The secret of wearing crystal unlock your abundance and relationship. Why do some people constantly attract opportunity and have a flow of abundance? But some seem like a step away from the success. This might lie on the crystal you are putting on. Golden Pregnite is known as the magnet of wealth. It activates your heart chakra and solar plexus, stabilizing your career foundation while attracting helpful people. If you want financial success, this crystal is a must-have. Strawberry quartz is well known for its ability to attract love and compassion. It activates your heart chakra, stabilize your mood, and have a better expression. If you want to foster relationship, this is the crystal you must try. To boost relationship and wealth, put on the strawberry quartz on the left to foster relationship, while putting on the golden pregnite to boost your action and help you to seize the opportunity. This combination can magnify the effect. Is your current crystal helping you to achieve your goal? To comment below, let me know. I will assist you.